Alright, now we just opened up the space and they've got more room now and more stuff, and we're going to throw in the tunnel and see what they think of it. So here we go. There's the tunnel. It rolls. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Who's brave? Oh, the little brown one that's brave. And there's the girl. She's going to check it out. Oh boy. Here it comes. The other guys are pretending no interest. He found himself in the mirror. And Mr. Blue Eyes is underneath the little hump checking it out. I'm going to shift over to the other side. Don't get car sick. See, here's Blue Eyes back there. Mr. Jax. Here we go. We're going to eat the tunnel, says the brown puppy. Even if it falls on me, we don't care. And it crackles, which makes it even more interesting. And she found the little hole. There she goes into the tunnel. I don't know if you can see this, but she's coming out the other side. There she comes. Yay. So there you go. There you go, your minute and a half of joy. Thank you.